Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is James, also known as Peter, and today I am doing a channel update video for April of 2018. So I'm going to go over what the channel is going to look like for the rest of the spring and over the summer, some projects, and some updates on other projects. So let's get into it. First off, a lot of people might have seen that I had to return my drone, and yes, it is true that I did have to do that because the drone kept overheating, and at one point it wouldn't even fly. So the rumor can be confirmed. So yes, it has been returned, sadly. I hated to have to return it, and I hope I can get another drone this summer. Now, there is a giveaway which I linked down below where you can win a DJI Inspire 2 from a great company called Narbox, which makes some really cool video editing software. So I'll link that down, and I'm hoping that I will win and that you might win as well, so that'd be really cool. So a lot of you have been asking, well, what's going to happen with your channel over the summer? What are you going to do with it? Well, actually I'm hoping to really expand the channel and do a lot of stuff with it. Like, for example, get a better video editing software. I'm currently editing with the 2012 Movie Maker from Windows that has been discontinued for a year now, sadly. But so I'm hoping that I can get that replaced and do some more effects. I'm also hoping I can get a new drone to get a cool new perspective for you guys, like a lot of you said you enjoyed in the other drone videos that I've done. And so yeah, I'm going to try to focus the channel more on tech reviews and stuff like that than I was with the car. I'm still going to do a couple car videos, and if you have any suggestions for that, feel free to leave a comment down below or send me an email. That's down in the description. Upcoming video wise, we have a lot, and let's take a look at what's coming up. One of the things that I have here in the office is actually a whiteboard where I have all kinds of ideas that go through my head that I can write down, and one of the categories I have up there, and I'll let you take a look at that, is actually upcoming videos. So I'll read these off to you and show you what's coming up on the channel. I'm hoping that these videos do actually happen. So I have a review of a wireless router, which you can actually see up on my wall, a Bluetooth headphone review, and then some intros and stuff for the channel, as well as a new setup tour and a budget phone video. So I'm hoping that those videos actually come true and that I can actually do them. So those are just a couple of the videos I'm doing. I also have a, hopefully, a PC upgrade video and like a maintenance video and a networking video where I show you how I run my network and do all that stuff. Also, a lot of you have been wondering about my company and if it even exists, and if it does, and if my company does exist, what I do. So my company is called Tech Garage, as you can see right there, maybe, I don't know. But anyways, what Tech Garage is a device repair company where I repair laptops and phones and stuff like that. And I also do video editing and photography stuff, as well as web design and PC builds. So I'll leave a description to my website for that down below. So also, I just want to thank the 78 people who have viewed the liftboard review video. That video has actually gone really well so far in the last 2 weeks this has been out. I'm very happy that it's done so well, and hopefully I can do another video with the liftboard, like a range test, as some of you suggested down in the comments. So be looking out for that. I still have it, and it works great still. And if you're wondering for some reason what this wallpaper is, it looks really cool. It's a wallpaper of a DJI Inspire 2 from some random website. Also coming up soon, I have a question and answer video version 3 coming up here. And if you have any questions about my channel or any related stuff like that, or like tech questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email with your question, or if you're viewing this on Instagram or something, you can also direct message me there. Thank you guys for watching this short little update video, and I hope to see you in the next video.